Hello everyone. So here I am with the activities for letter F that we did for this week. So again clarifying, these are the activities which I do every single day, like one activity per day. They are mainly of craft activities and the activities which cannot go on the shelf for various reasons, like my younger one still put things in her mouth, so small things like these buttons cannot go on the shelf. So those kind of activities are here. So starting with letter F, we had the cursive F here. We have the sprintable from Amrita's Mama Diaries, and then this we had the magnetic slate. I mean, I know this is not the ideal way to teach writing or pre-writing, but it's just that I tell her like, what do you want to today? Do you want to scribble on this slate or the other slate or on the easel? And then we go the way she wants. So this week she chose to do this electromagnetic slate all the way. And then we had this my letter F bundle, feather, uh, flamingo, so and reading one fox letter and all these kind of things. So basically this is the stuff that go on the shelf mostly. It's accessible to them, but it's something I repeat every single day of the week with both of my kids. So this is a visual discrimination activity for my younger one. So F for fish. So there are different kind of fish here, and it doesn't have a Velcro, and it's only for Sia because Sanvi did a long time back, and it's actually very easy for Sanvi. So I chose not to put a Velcro and just do manually with Sia. So this is one thing. This is what I did with Sanvi. So it's just that fingers, F for fingers, so it's counting. So it's like I put this card there, make my hand like this and ask her to count, and then ask her to make 7 with her hands. And it has all 1 to 10. So this is the activity we did. Now F for funnel. So I had this funnel, and we took this to the washroom while they were taking bath, and this is one. So I have 2 funnels, 2 bottles, and then they transfer water in the bottle using the funnel. So this was one of the time pass for a whole week. It was a fun thing for every bath day. Then this is F for frog. So we read this frogs book and we made this frog. So I'll tell you which is, this is my frog, very simple one. This paper plate, I turn it half, and some pasting and just scribbling just to show them that you have to make color, way to color it. And I had made a tongue by rolling. So now this is what they did. This is I think yes, this is okay. Let me see, this is Sanvi's. No, this is Sia's because she did not put the pipe cleaner. She had lost interest till then, but she enjoyed a lot of scribbling, cutting the tape, pasting it. Because frog has some patches on its body, so Sanvi did put the holes with the pencil, put the pipe cleaners. We cut the tape with the scissor. We did scribbling with the sketch pens and markers, and we made the frog. We read this frog book. Now this is again a frog. It's another puzzle where we talk about the life cycle. So here we meet the life cycle of frog, because this book is from Usborne, and it talks about everything, all the characteristics of frog and its life cycle, what they eat, how they reproduce. So that way, with this puzzle is apt to do with this book. And I had my frog jumping over somewhere. So this is the frog talked about, and this again a visual discrimination activity for the younger one. And I thought it would be pretty confusing if I put on the shelf for her, but so I did it manually with her twice or thrice this week, and she could do it. So this is a visual discrimination. And then F for flag. So I just took out the flag of the countries which mostly we have visited or we talk about. Like we have India, we have Singapore, we have Thailand, we have Indonesia, the countries which we have visited. So just introduction to the flags of the countries, and basically she knows India and Singapore flag anyways. But anyways, this craft one we made the flag, so I just gave her the strips and she pasted it, and then we talked about the flag. And if you wonder what I wrote, so this is what happens when I'm talking about some alphabet with her, and like for fish. So then Scooby is our a toy, a doggy toy. Its name is Scooby, and we have a panda. So Scooby and panda are the favorite soft toys of our house. So then just randomly she asked, like, how do we write panda? What does it start with? So I wrote the spelling of panda, and then something greater than less than, she was talking that which is big one, and I talked about greater than less than sign. Just talked about it. So that's how things evolve when we do it here, just on the way. This one is F for fire. So we read the firefighter book, and we had this fire engines as a new addition to our toy this time. It has a ladder, and it is collapsible and extendable. And this also talks about where this ladder, how it extends and all. So they had a lot of fun playing with this one, and we did one craft with it. Was the craft that we did with it was letter F. So it was cutting and pasting activity. I wrote letter F, and because the fire is somewhat orange and red color, so we cut the papers randomly. So you're still not able to cut a straight line, but still we cut the paper and stick it on letter F. And then the last activity which we did was F for feather. So you can see I have different color feather, and the buttons are also of different colors. So it was randomly put actually for her, and then she has to match the color, put the feather in the hole, and then if you see, there is 1 blue, 2 yellow, 3 orange, and 4 red buttons. So like that we did counting as well as the color matching. So I don't think I need to tell you, but like this, you take a feather and you put in the hole like this. Oh, can I do it with one hand? Like that. Okay, so like that we put the buttons and the feather. So it's a motor skill activity, color matching, as well as counting activity. And again, it cannot go to shelf because the buttons are really small, and can be a choking hazard from a younger one. So these are all the activities which I did for letter F this week, and let me know if you try them. Bye bye.